Hi folks, camera is rolling. It's the 22nd of March. Thanks for joining us. I'm in the studio here with my good friend Meow Sheena. What you doing, Sheena? Yeah, so I'm just following on this clip right on from yesterday's where you saw me glazing the inside of these pots. Just want to give them a critical eye for cracking, just so that we are learning. I'm not seeing any cracking on these. The only one that did show some sign of cracking was this one, and I'll show it to you. Where I put that sort of gusset in down there. Let's point the light up there a bit. Again, if you can see, but there's a bit of a cracking going on there. I've just sort of smoothed it over, and I'm going to put glaze over it and hope for the best. I don't think it's going to amount to anything, although it might show a small crack afterwards. But so what I'm going to do now is, I've got my other glaze here, which is, just show it to you quickly, is crocodile, which is basically red clay, 50%, and wood ash. The wood ash is somewhat diluted the lye out of the wood ash. So what I propose to do is, I sort of have in mind what I want to do. Let's just bring this a bit closer. Right. So I've got a jug here. It's helpful to, this is a lid from a, I don't know, marinated mushroom salad. Something like that is useful when you're glazing. So I'm also going to have a sponge handy. Let's get this plastic out of the way. So, right, so crocodile. Let's start with this tankard. So what I'm thinking I want to do is, I don't know if you notice here on the bottom where I've got the sort of herringbone design running around that I did with the little wheel. It makes it very nice for holding on to at this stage. So what I'm going to do is just dip the lid, the top, I mean not the lid, the lip here, and then what I want to do is pour the glaze over, but I don't want the glaze to go all the way down to the bottom here. I want it to sort of start about here, and I'm just going to pour it down over. So here goes indeed. Right, so just in there like that, just do the lip, and now pouring like this. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, we've missed a bit on the inside of the handle there. It's okay. Sometimes if you miss a bit, it doesn't matter, but it'll get kind of, it'll be all part of the character of these kind of tankards. I want this little bit of exposed clay at the base here, because it's going to have wood ash finely blown over that section. Okay. Just having a look here also at the, if we get that light there, let's move that down. I don't know if you can see the thickness there on the lip. is not too bad because we did wipe off. All right. There's a little miss in there, but it doesn't bother me. It'll just add to the character. Okay. So always a good idea when you glaze anything. Good idea, because this kind of glaze will appear thick at this stage because it's like a clay-based glaze. But when as it dries, it won't end up being actually as thick as what it appears right now. Okay. So again, we're just going to dip the top like that. Now yeah. That's what I wanted. So that's what we're doing. That's what we're. Yeah. So far, so good. Okay, moving on to these pictures. So, just going to dip the lip. Now, trying to get the sort of feel of the pour, you know, to get a certain boldness. In the feel of the pour. Yeah, a little bit there. Just missed on the side of the handle. Always assess, you know, when you're doing something and it doesn't go quite one way or another. Ask yourself, does it enhance the pot? If you want to call it a mistake, or you know, maybe where it missed, or does it add something to it? You just have to do a little some mental gymnastics just to think through that one. And if you don't feel it improves it, then get rid of it maybe, or adjust it. You know, use your judgment, is what I'm saying. There are no hard and fast rules. Okay, just dip the edge. So yeah. Yeah, that's kind of... I don't know if you can see that. It's sort of got like a... that round ending to where the glaze finishes. Can be quite nice. Last one. So I'm doing some of these guys in this glaze, which is crocodile. That's what I call it anyway. And the rest are going to be done in field glaze. Okay, that's it, folks. Just a short clip there, just to showing you the completion. The completion of those pitchers and the tankards, and well, next thing will be to spray a bit of wood ash on and put them in the kiln, and then they will be fired. Please go to my website simonleachpottery.com. I've got a workshop this weekend coming up now. Today is Thursday. So Saturday and Sunday we have a workshop here, 24th, 25th of March. And then our next workshop is in the middle of April, around about April the 15th. That's actually full, this one's full. But other workshops in May, there's vacancies. May, June, July, August. Nothing going on in September. So yeah, if you want potter's wheels, tools, pots, yeah, we should be getting this kiln. I should get fired next week, hopefully next week. Yeah. Okay, folks. Thanks for joining us. As I mentioned in the other video, if you're in the neighbourhood and you're passing by and you want to drop by, have a look at pots, or if you need a tool or you just want to say hello, that's fine. Please call in. We like visitors. And yeah, that's all. Keep practicing. I'll see you in the next video.